Hey guys, so this is just a quick video of me showing you how to log on to Moby Max, which is something that's gonna help you when you find that you need help in just a specific piece of our lessons that we're learning. So it's something that we're gonna use to help you really narrow down, things that you're struggling with. So, first things first is if you go to Moby Max to sign in, and you can look up your school. So we go to Madiba. So I'm going to look up Madiba Prep, right? There is also a way for you to go click in the link on Google Classroom. So those are the two ways. You can click the link on Google Classroom, or you can sign in this way. I do believe you can also sign in with Google Classroom, but Michelle has to look a little bit more into that. So your username and your password is going to be your name. So for today, I am just going to borrow, I guess I will borrow Tyler. So let's borrow Tyler's account. Okay, and then sign in. So first it starts off with a daily smile, which is a cute little comic that, may help you smile. Just something cute. So this one says, "I'm hungry, give me breakfast." And it says, "Do it yourself." And it's like, I'm not that hungry. We've all been there. All right, so after your daily smile, you'll see your assignment. So the first thing you guys are going to be doing is this week we're going to be knocking out oceanography. So you're going to click the oceanography assignment, and it's going to walk you through the science, right? So what you learned about today, you're going to learn about oceanography, and in oceanography you're going to be learning about currents. And then
Surface currents are affected by three main factors. Continental deflections, the Coriolis effect,
it'll talk you
winds. Because Earth is scattered with continents, surface currents do not move in only one direction. Instead, the continents disrupt or deflect the winds and currents and send them in another direction. This is called continental deflection.
Okay, so you can have it set to read to you automatically. You can also, with sound, you can have it not read to you aloud at all. You can have it read to you everything, or you can have it only read you teach me problems aloud. So there are some problems that are teach me problems that help you understand more, and it can only read those out. So you can choose however way you want to do it. Right, and that's totally up to you. You can also change the zoom, so you can increase the size or decrease the size. Now here it tells me how long your session is and how long you were focused. So let's say Miss Jackson, right, logged on to Moby Max, and then she got hungry, and I was like, I'm gonna go get me a snack. Right, it might tell me I'm actually on Moby Max for 5 minutes, but I was only focused for 1 minute. So just keep that in mind, that I can see how long you're actually working. Okay, you can also see the table of contents. So this shows you kind of what is expected for you, and then this shows you other things that are available for 6th grade, right? So that gives you a little view of this. You can also earn games. So down here you see 1 game bonus. If I hit the home screen, right, I can see right here, I can have fun, and I can click on games. So you can earn certificates and badges and behaviors and Hall of Fame. And I'll talk to you later about all of those things. You can watch your progress grow. You can see your time summary, but you can also, after amount of time, you can win time on games. So boom, it'll tell you how long you have to work to earn some game time. So 25 minutes is the initial one. Miss J is probably going to make that shorter. It's like 15 minutes to help you guys really get in the groove. So you can see your assignments here where you see this +1. You can see your games here when you see have fun, right? You can also see your progress and your time summary. Over here, you can message me if you need to, right? So you can send Miss Jackson a message. Okay, Miss Jackson, I'm stuck. I need help. And you do that, hit the new message down there. Okay, you can also see any announcements I post, any tasks. So these are going to change as we go through June, as I go through and narrow it down and make sure I can help you specifically. There might also be some polls here, so maybe check like, do you guys think you should get 3 games or 2 games? Polls, events, tasks, those are all going to be here. Last but not least, you can make it yours. You can change the color, right? So, Tyler, I'm going to change you to this funky looking red. Feel free to change yourself. You can even click this button to add friends. So what that means is you're going to add like little emojis. So if you want like a little cool little turtle, or if you want to build a friend, you can do that as well. So this is just a quick little video of walking you through Moby Max. So Miss Jackson is only assigning you science stuff. However, you can work on other things. So let's say, right? Let's say you're like, man, I think I need a little bit more help in math or in reading or in writing, or maybe I need some help with phonics or foundational reading. Maybe I want to just play a fluency board game, or maybe I want to do some test prep. You can do all of these extra assignments if you want to. So you don't have to, but if you so choose, you could do any of these extra assignments. But what is required, what is mandatory, is right here in assignments. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys. Looking forward to seeing your beautiful faces in class. Have an amazing day.